gotta be bigger than. Going super saiyan, leave hoes in the head like Krillin, man. I'm just a bigger man. Niggas keep on playing, we slime them out.
Yo, YouTube, this is Book, man. And today, I'm giving y'all a little simple video, nothing long, a little short video. Today we're gonna be watching the Batmobile. It's dirty. Like, oh my god. Let me give y'all a little run around of the car. Like, look at the tires, bro. Like, it's a 50. Like, filthy. For real. Like, it's bad. But we finna get it right. Don't mind the water on this side. Just did. I just sprayed it off for the thumbnail or whatever. But yeah. So right now I'm finna put y'all on the materials I use, because this gets you right for real. So right now we got, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, that. Yeah. Hey, shiny. Then for my tires, after I get done, I got the same brand. Still don't know how to pronounce it. Give the tires a little shine after I get done. To dry the car off when I get done. The absorber. You know, if you black, you probably call that a shimmy rag, but yeah, the absorber. And then we got our sponge. I'm not sure what brand this is, but yeah, got our sponge. So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a little short video. All my intros been like 3 minutes long, but yeah, we ain't finna do all that today. I'm just finna wash it, let y'all see how I wash it. And yeah, there's gonna be a little short video for y'all to see on how I wash the Batmobile. So that's enough of me talking. Finna set the phone up and just let y'all watch.
Me back then, no right now, ain't in the future, I'll be winning. Ain't never had no religion where I ever say I was 20. I pray to God every time I know a thing that I was saying. Niggas think that I be done, but really in real life, I'm never finished. I might have nonchalant, but you still knew my heart was in it. You used to have it made, now look at all your blessings, they gone in minutes. Look up at the stars, no falling down, I'm getting rich, I'm going hard. Dreaming about designer clothes and fancy cars. I don't care what happened, cause I know I'm going far. Shot cloud ticking, what you gonna do when you go under pressure? Stubby young nigga, I'm tryna get more, so I cannot settle and shit for the less. It's funny how most people that fall right before they was doing that age. She look so good, but I'ma be real with you, I wish I never met her. I'ma look up at the clouds, gotta see my people, man, I know they smiling proud. Niggas see me doing shit they can, they asking how. Teacher turn to master, nigga, better take a bow. Know how I get now, real dreaming. Got 2 watches on my wrist, they both beaming. Don't even mean to show it off, no, they seen it. Nigga rocket show, non-stop money, everything green. I promise my mama I'ma make it in the rap shit. If you interfere with that, I swear to God I'ma clap shit. How I know that I'ma make it, that's just how that rap shit go. If I don't go up.
Still gotta try it, but we finna move to this driver's side. Get the driver's side washed, then to the rear, then to the passenger side.
Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Tryna reach your side. Get the money a killing, stack that shit up to the ceiling. Get a few say millions, out the mix I be just chillin'. Let me reach into your soul, but only if you will. I don't drink, I don't smoke, so tell me how I'm post coke. Probably get a girl I hope she show me love, show me the ropes. I just praying on my knees, just sometimes I'm not a pope. I been looking at the stars through my eyes like telescope. Someone come tell me how to live life. How I'm supposed to know he or she gon' hug me, and they gon' have a night. But ain't gon' trip, cause you can't bring night to the gunfight. Cause I got my heart fully locked down, ready to go with anybody, I don't care. care about many rounds. When I leave and go, ooh, I'ma know be out of town. Now I'm just a stranger, somebody please come help me now. Now I'm just praying for a sign. Wish upon a star, oh my. Wish somebody else.
Alright, y'all. We got the side. Oh, we got the side. Don't let that do what it do while I get the rest of it done. We're gonna go back over and dry the car. You know, it looks so far so good. Getting all the dirt off. Finna set y'all back up. Start this music back up. Alright, that's the back, y'all. Now, last but not least, the passenger side. So, I ain't gonna say too much, just gonna set you up and start the music back. Alright, so we done with the whole car, y'all. Now we're going to the rims. Some people might have their own little opinion about this, but I do my rims last simply because I like to focus fully on the car when washing it. I don't like to be going from rim to car to rim to car. I like to do the car all at once and then go back to the rim all at once. That's just how I'd like to do it. I don't know about everybody else, but that's me. Some people might dry the car after they do one side, but I know that if I do that, I'm be drying for hours. I know I'm gonna keep getting one side wet, then I just dry it off. Then I'm gonna be getting another side wet. Like that takes too much time. So I like to do what's more time efficient for me. But yeah, we finna go back over this bumper real quick. Alright, let me set y'all back up. Spray this off, and then we gonna go to the rims. Alright, y'all, finna go take a little water break, cause it ain't nothing but like 9 o'clock in the morning, and it feel like it's about 100 degrees right here. It's hot. When I tell y'all it's hot, man, it is hot. It feel like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna take a water break, get back with y'all. driver's side complete. Now, go to the rear. Alright, now guys, whew, it's hot out here. That's one thing before I even get started what I'm about to say. I don't know if the camera dirty or not, so I'm gonna give it a little white. Alright, but now, I'm going in the shade. Now, we finna dry it. The drying process now. I'll see it. You can see now that it's gonna be, yeah, mirror. Like it's gonna be like looking in a mirror. But yeah, y'all see smooth be over there. Can't wait till we get that back up and going. I mean, it's going, but it ain't where it need to be. It might be a project car or something. You know, a little street car to have fun in. I don't know when I'm gonna get that started, but I'm gonna for sure keep y'all posted on it, because y'all gonna see all of this, all the progression from now, from last video all the way up until we take off with this, you know, posting these videos and having fun, just showing y'all what I do in my life. Y'all give y'all opinion on it, you know, bad or good. I'm gonna respect all comments, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna keep it pushing, we're gonna stay consistent. I'm gonna try to do 2 videos every week, like until I can't no more, you know what I mean? But yeah, I ain't gonna do too much more talking. I'm gonna put the camera back down and start this drying process. All right, after we get done with the drying process, I'm gonna show the after of what the car look like. And yeah, y'all give me y'all opinions. I wanna say like, before we get to that part, that my paint is not perfect. So you gonna see some imperfections in the paint. It might look like, you feel me, it might look like spots that I missed, but it's really just paint chips or paint mess ups and stuff like that. But yeah, I plan on getting it wrapped one day, not sure when, but yeah, I do plan on getting it wrapped. Y'all throw some ideas of what I should get it wrapped for in the future, how I should get it wrapped in the future. Yeah, y'all let me know. Alright, y'all, we done watching the Batmobile. Finna get out of after now. Ooh. Let me back up so I can get out of. Yeah, y'all see the wheels? Yeah. Got that on there. So yeah, that's how it look now. Y'all seen it before, y'all see it out there. Y'all let me know on a scale from 1 to 10 how good it look now versus how it did before I watched it. But like I said before, you know, there's a couple paint imperfections on there that could be corrected, and I said I was gonna get it wrapped. Still not sure how I'm gonna get it wrapped, but yeah, y'all let me know some ideas on getting it wrapped. Should I do like a Batman type of thing? Like not too much, cause I don't want to do too much, you know. Like maybe like a, I don't know, maybe a, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think, how we should get it wrapped. But yeah, it looks up to par for me. It looks good. Now for y'all might have a different opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all feel like. How y'all think it look from 0 to 10, 1 to 10. Let me know how y'all think it look after the wash versus before the wash. But yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video.